I am so excited. I just returned from a staff training where we've been working with a group of young women and then older women who work at a restaurant. And the goal is to get people more engaged and thinking about the business as if it's their own. They started weeks ago with the Creating a Culture deck, which has been fantastic for eliciting a two-way conversation and getting most particularly the younger women, to start to think about the business in a different way. Today I did a workshop with them and we were talking about curating the customer experience. And oh my gosh, it was so much fun. By the end of this workshop that we're doing that was less than an hour, these young women were coming up with these ideas in ways that were very creative to connect the customer to the business and the customer to them in both verbal and nonverbal ways. It was so much fun. When's the last time you had a workshop that was thumbs up? What did they do?